Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today going to analyze next week gold forecast. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. My Telegram link is below. You can join with and get the VIP access and get more profit with the gold trading. This is the high last week. Gold was made about 2,400 past this all-time high. This is the historical high that the gold was made last week, about 2,400 level. So what is the reason for demand for this uptrend? Gold is demanding, is the huge increase demanding. What is the reason? The reason is this is the reason. So I am going to the FX Street website. So FX Street website that is mentioned, that is you can see geopolitical tensions between Iran and Israel spark market volatility, initially rising demand for safe haven. So gold is a safe haven asset, safe haven commodity. Is the market uncertainty is continuing, that's the risk of sentiment, safe haven asset demand, that's the gold demand. That is the reason, main reason. Iran Israel is the war is continuing. So you should touch week next week also. What is the war is continuing? That's the last week Forex factory CPI data report USA, that is increased to 3.2% to 3.5%. That's the Fed American central bank's inflation goal is 2%, but 3.5 to increase last week CPI data year report. That you can see Fed watch tool June FOMC meeting 71% forecast to pause the rate again, and July FOMC meeting you can see also 40% forecast to pause the rate. If 5.5 is the current rate, so current rate is pause forecast continuing increase, that is the dollar demand. So that will help to dollar demand. Now is the dollar is in demand position. I think next week also dollar demand continuing with the inflation report increase last week. So now I am going to the, this is the Fed watch tool website. I am always updating. So I am going to the Forex factory. What is the next week economic data you should touch? Is the US retail sales is there. You can see you should touch with this economic data if you are trading gold regarding US dollar. What is the Fed's American central bank is doing? This is the economic data you should touch next week. So I am going to the gold chart. This is the 4-hour chart. You can see my drawing canal pattern is continuing price upside. This is the pattern. You can see that I am going to the technically analysis. What is the next week? You have opportunity sell or buy. This is the channel pattern is continuing to the upside. Price is in last trend line. You can see the price as reactors the below trend line. This point, this is the trend line, the first and the second and the third, and the price is in fourth time is the, this is important key level with technically set up. This is the technical picture. If break to the below side, wait retracement, that is you have a sell opportunity in next week gold. So with the dollar demand, that's the war was not continuing at the, you have a sell opportunity next week gold. So I am targeting 2,300 level will be reached next week. This is my first option. See here carefully, this is the first option, 2,300 level. This is the breakout this trend line, that is the retestment, that is the you have sell opportunity with the technically set up. That the other side is very important. Now I am going to telling you this, the next week Iran Israel war is continuing. That is the, if war is continuing, that is help to gold demand as the safe haven asset. You should touch with war. What is going on war? That is market uncertainty is continuing, will be continuing next week. That will help to gold demand, and gold will pass 2,400 level again. That is the reason for market uncertainty war. That is you should touch with Iran Israel war. What is the going on, that it will continuing next week also. That will help to gold demand as the safe haven asset. So that is the my two options. You can join with my Telegram link and VIP access and get more profit with the gold trading. So risk management is the key, money management is the key for gold trading. So let's join and make some profits from the gold trading. So key is the risk management, money management is the key for gold trading. So thank you.